Welcome guys to the Crochet Biz channel. In this video tutorial, let's crochet together this really easy heart. Later on you will find the video tutorial of heart granny square. The tutorial is really easy and beginner friendly, so if you want to learn how to crochet a heart or a heart granny square, you're welcome, and let's get started. So we start with a magic ring. And I forgot to say that I'm using 4 mm crochet hook and medium weight yarn from Karen Simply Soft. You see number 4 medium. Make chain 3 and count this chain 3 as first double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet into the center. So in total, if we count chain 3 as one more double crochet, in total 12 double crochet. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, pull the tail to close the center and join in top of beginning chain 3. Now chain 1, skip the next stitch, this one, and into the next one make 7 treble crochet. Treble crochet means yarn over hook twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and for the last time pull through 2. So the first treble crochet is done. Now 6 more into the same stitch. Yarn over hook twice, insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more into the same stitch, 7. Into the next stitch make extended double crochet. So insert the hook, draw up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through only first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and into the same stitch one more extended double crochet. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Again 2 double crochet in next stitch. 2 double crochet in next stitch. Now pull the loop that is on the hook a little bit longer. Insert the hook into the previous loop and make a slip stitch. At this point we have done exactly the half of the heart. Now make 2 double crochet into the same stitch as previous 2 double crochet. Now 2 double crochet in next stitch. Two double crochet in next stitch again. In next stitch make 2 extended double crochet. Great. Now into the next stitch make 7 treble crochet as we did at the beginning. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And now skip next stitch and join in previous slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. Pull the tail. And I like to use a yarn needle here. Thread the tail. Pull the tail here in back. And weave in ends on the other side. Let's make a knot right away. Perfect. Cut the yarn and proceed with this tail as well. That's it, guys. The heart is ready. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're looking at written instruction, please check my blog. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye!